Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a business website with Readdy AI agent. So no coding, no expensive web designer needed. You'll see how this AI builds your site from just a short description. Let's get started. Readdy is an AI agent designed to create full website from text prompts. You can describe your business like a cafe, agency, or portfolio, and Readdy will generate a complete layout, copy, and visuals automatically. You can just go to the official Readdy site, readdy.ai, and you can just create an account. You can click on try for free in here and sign up. You can sign up with your Google account or enter your email address in here. So once you sign up, you'll see a chat style interface. So that's your AI agent. You can talk to it naturally like this. For example, hey, Readdy, create a business website for my coffee shop called Daily Grind. Okay, you can just tap on send. So in seconds, Readdy is building pages for me like home, about, the menu, and contact. It's even generating the color theme, logo, placeholder, and stock images automatically. All of this without me writing a single line of code. You can just wait until it's done. So here is the preview of my website based on this simple prompt. You can preview it by scrolling it down and see how it will look like on the browser. You can customize it based on your own data, like the price in here. You can edit any section. You can just click on text and change wording, swap images, or ask the AI agent to rewrite your copy. For example, you can ask it to make my about section sound more friendly or add emojis. And when you're happy with your design, you can click on publish and choose your free subdomain or connect your own domain name. And that's it. Your website is live and ready for customers. Thank you so much for watching. That's how you create a full business website using AI in minutes. Readdy makes it super easy for beginners and business owners. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.